शेनवारा आयुष मंत्र्याच्या हजेरेन दोना पावला इंटरनॅशनल सेंटरान पर्यटनाक प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक कार्यावळ जाली। ह्या वेळार राष्ट्रीय तसेच आंतरराष्ट्रीय प्रतिनिधी कार्यावळीक हजर आशिल्ले। आरडी एक्सको खातीर दोना पावलाच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Industry is also emerged to become a major contributor to the tourism revenue and employment and income opportunities in the state of Goa. Besides Goa, the states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Andaman and Goa have also been taking steps to explore the potential of the offshore water sports and now figure in tourism map of this state. I am happy that the conference is being organized this year in Goa, which is also the International Year of the Tourism for Development of the United Nations World Tourism Organization, wherein the eminent tourism experts from across the country and abroad are gathering here to deliberate on the related aspect of it. And I am sure that the brainstorming session will be definitely lead to every concrete feature action for the benefit of this tourist destination, not only in India but also of the other developing countries. I congratulate the Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management and National Institute of Water Sports, the apex government body in the matter related to the tourism and water sport for this initiative, and I wish all the engaged and great success in this endeavor with this work. I once again welcome you